Hello everyone, this is Siham from the Research and Development Department in Market Equity, and in this video I'm going to be talking about some of the important pairs and instruments and their price movement predictions for the day, which falls on a Thursday, 12th of August 2021. Let's begin with the US dollar versus the Swiss franc, where in the previous videos we said that it is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame, and by rebounding down around the horizontal resistance area in the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, or around level 0.9230, it will support the continuity of the downtrend. The pair broke upwards through level 0.9230 but failed to hold above it after closing above it, and then rebounded down off of it to continue with the downtrend, which in this case will be targeting around level 0.9130 and then around level 0.9020. If we notice the daily time frame, then we can see that the pair has also formed a doji pattern, and we are now awaiting the closing of a bearish candle after it to confirm its effect on the pair, which will then in turn confirm the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding down off of around level 70 inside the overbought area, it supports the rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue with the downtrend. That was it for the US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Let's move on to the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. As we mentioned in the previous videos, we said that the pair is moving in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame and has recently started moving in a sideways movement and has formed a broadening triangle in the 4-hour time frame, where after failing to hold above level 110.60, it formed a peak around the upper boundary of the broadening triangle and rebounded down off of it, which in turn supports the continuity of the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame, as well as the targeting of around level 109.60 and then around level 109.05. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that by rebounding down off of around level 70 inside the overbought area, it supports the rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue with the sideways movement in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. Let's move on to the gold. As we mentioned in yesterday's video, the gold is moving in a downtrend, and we said that by rebounding upwards off of around level 1717 in the 1-hour time frame, it will support the retesting of around level 1752, where the pair is currently being traded around, and by breaking upwards through it, it will support the continuity of the current upwards correctional movement, which will continue to target around level 1765, and in case the pair breaks upwards through this level, it will be extending the upwards correctional movement to target around level 1793 before continuing with the downtrend. The bullish scenario will be cancelled upon the breaking down through level 1748, which in that case it will be supporting the continuity of the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. If we notice the RSI indicator in the 4-hour time frame, then we can see that it is currently moving around level 50, which supports the rebounding down off of around the current levels to continue with the downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. That was it for the gold. Market Equity wishes you successful trading and have a nice day.